Okay, so I was just about to show our latest pipeline editor, and I said, why won't I record it and share it with everyone?
And wait, and this
Okay.
is releasing in 13.8.
This is releasing in 13.8.
Awesome.
Yeah, we are just working on lifting the feature flag from the final, for the final feature, which is the visualization part. So yeah, to access the pipeline editor, you need to go to the CI/CD and click on the editor tab.
Mm-hmm.
It's important to emphasize that the editor will only work if you have an existing pipeline configuration file. So if there is none in your project, it will not work. You need to create one, just a simple one, and it will work.
What if there isn't one? Is there an error message that there?
Yes, there is an error message explaining the user that they need to create a pipeline file for it to work. So, and something that will work on that in the coming iteration. So the first thing is we are doing a constant validation. So as you start typing, you will see that this thing is changing here, and we constantly validate if your syntax is correct. So if you did something wrong, or you typo on something, we'll immediately tell you, hey, fix it. And it's different than the previous experience. In the previous experience, you'd either need to go to the linter, which is located in a totally different area location. It is in the job page. You need to click on the lint, and you just need to click here and then validate. And only that, this is how you knew if something is broken. And also, most of our users were simply just hitting the commit button and say, okay, let's try it and see if it's broken. So you don't need to do it now. Yes, you just, as you type, you can see that it is valid or invalid.
That is awesome. What a great improved user experience. I'm noticing on this page, though, that there is a tab for lint. When would anyone ever need to go there?
Yes, let's first start with the visualization and then go to the lint.
Okay. So
the visualization is actually really nice because it provides you with a visual representation of your YAML file. So you work on your file and you can quickly see, okay, I have 4 stages, I have 5 jobs, I have a need dependency between this job and that job, and between karma and fixture. And what's nice about that is unlike the pipeline view, you don't need to hit the commit button in order to update this view. So for instance, let's add the link from pages to fixture, a needs keyword. So I'll go to the pages, I'll do needs, and I'll copy this job. Oh, you see, I didn't copy a job, I copied a stage, and I immediately saw that I had a problem. So let's fix it. Okay. And I'll click on the visualization, and you see that there is any dependency between pages and fixture.
That's really nice.
So yeah, so you don't need to commit, you don't need to change anything in your pipeline. And as you type it, you can see how it looks.
Awesome.
Yeah. And yeah, and we also, by the way, we also support the include keyword. So I have actually a file here with a bunch of downstream jobs. It's just like a file with a bunch of jobs. So if I'll copy it, I'll go back to my editor. I will add the include, and then I will add the file name. I can see the syntax is correct. I can go to visualization. I can see all the jobs that were added. Yeah. Right. And obviously, if I'll comment it, it will disappear. Okay, so, the advantage, the advantage here is that you don't need to change anything in your pipeline.
Yeah.
You can add jobs and add stages and add dependency, see how your pipeline looks like, and then if it makes sense, then hit the commit.
Very cool. I love the real-time visualization of changes as they're happening.
Yeah. Yeah, this is something that our customers will ask for a long time.
I hope you're having a big showcase on this as it launches, like a, a video and demo and all that.
Yeah, I'm planning to record a short video, short demo. It also is going to be one of the top 3 features. You asked about the linter. So as I told you, the linter is here. So that's the old linter. But here we just like did all the work for you. So imagine you would copy paste your entire pipeline into the linter, into the old linter. And then you click on the validate, it validates and it provides you with this information about each jobs and the value that each job had and the different policies that you have in place. So you don't need to do it. You just need to go to the link tab and you can see like all the information about the jobs.
Oh, that's great. You see the syntax analysis of the parameters. Awesome.
Exactly.
Is this one like the visualize tab where it also dynamically updates even without committing the change?
Yeah, you don't need to you don't need to change anything. It will like on the fly will do it for you. So and of course with includes and everything. So if I'll add this include keyword, I can see the visualization, I can see the link, I can see the added jobs. See those jobs were added now. So
I love it.
That's about it. Thanks.
Great.
Let's stop the recording.
Okay.
And of course, for everyone that is watching this recording, please try it out and let us know what you think.
So